So hello everyone, in this audio class we will discuss the 20 most important general questions that can be asked in the KVS and NVS interview. So let's get started with the question number 1. What is Kendriya Vidyalaya Sanghatan? So Kendriya Vidyalaya Sanghatan is an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. It was established in 1963 to provide uniform and quality education mainly to the children of transferable central government employees. Question number 2. What is the main objective of KVS? So the main objective of KVS is to provide common educational standards across India and ensure continuity of education for children of transferable employees. Question number 3. What is the motto of KVS? So the motto of KVS is Tat Tvam Pushan Afabrinu, which means, "O son, please remove the veil so that truth can be seen." Question number 4. Why do parents prefer Kendriya Vidyalayas? So parents prefer Kendriya Vidyalaya because of quality education, disciplined environment, experienced teachers, CBSE curriculum and focus on holistic development. Question number 5. Who is the present chairman of KVS? So the Union Minister of Education, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, acts as the chairman of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sanghatan. Question number 6. What is the special about the teaching learning process in KVS? So KVS focuses on experiential learning, competency based education, digital learning and inclusive classroom teaching according to NEP 2020. So next question number 7. What is Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya? So Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas are residential schools established under the Ministry of Education to provide quality education to talented rural children free of cost. Question number 8. What is the main objective of Navodaya Vidyalaya? So the main objective is to identify talented children from rural areas and provide them with quality modern education along with the cultural values and national integration. Question number 9. What is the motto of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti? So the motto of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti is Pragyanam Brahma, which means knowledge is supreme. Question number 10. Why are Navodaya Vidyalayas considered unique? So they are unique because they provide free residential education, focus on rural talent and promote national integration through migration policy. Question number 11. What is the migration policy in Navodaya Vidyalaya? So under the migration policy, students of class 9 are exchanged between Hindi speaking and non-Hindi speaking states to promote cultural integration and national unity. Question number 12. Who can take admission in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya? So mainly talented students from rural areas can take admission through the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya selection test. Question number 13. What is EMRS? So EMRS stands for Ekalavya Model Residential School. These schools are established for tribal students to provide quality residential education. Question number 14. What is the main objective of EMRS? So the objective is to provide quality education to scheduled tribe students and help them compete in higher education and professional fields. Question number 15. Why are residential schools important for students? So residential schools help students develop discipline, self-dependence, teamwork and social responsibility along with academic learning. Question number 16. How will you contribute as a teacher in KVS or NVS? So as a teacher, I will focus on conceptual learning, inclusive education, moral values and activity based learning to help students grow academically and socially. Question number 17. How does NEP 2020 influence KVS and NVS education system? system. So NEP 2020 encourages experiential learning, skill development, multilingual teaching and competency based assessment, which are being implemented in KVS and NVS. Question number 18, what is co-curricular activity? Why is co-curricular activity important in KVS and NVS? So co-curricular activities develop leadership, creativity, communication skill and teamwork among students along with academic excellence. Question number 19, how do KVS and NVS promote national integration? So students from different cultures, languages and regions study together in these schools, which develops unity, tolerance and respect for diversity. Question number 20, and this is the last question for today, why do you want to join KVS, NVS or EMRS as a teacher? So I joined to KVS, NVS or EMRS because these institutions focus on quality education, holistic development and national service. I want to contribute to students' academic growth and personality development in a disciplined learning environment. Thanks for listening. Keep listening for further audio classes. Thank you.